Hey guys, this is Heather Atkinson, co-founder of Windy City Weather. I don't know if you can see this through my camcorder, but these are huge ass flakes. These are freaking gigantic. They are coming down and they are sticking. As you can see, they're pretty decent from they're landing on my in-laws' driveway, and it's pretty big. They're actually landing all over the place. These are freaking huge, and it's supposed to get worse as it gets on, but this is just the beginning. Just thought I'd give you guys a heads up and a wonderful video of how big these flakes are. I don't know if you can see them, but yep, there it is, the beginning. And pretty soon, we'll be out here with the snow thrower. Woohoo! Alright guys, anybody out on the road, I hope you're safe. And if you're on your way home, people, drive safe. This is Windy City Weather, signing off.